Hello everyone. Today I have one trick to show you to change the format of number from one format to another format. For example, we have stuff ID. We have like 1,000 number of stuff. If we input one, the set will show us 1, 10, 20. So it will show us we have input, but it is not a correct format. If we want to change the standard format, it will become like that. So when we put number 1, it will change the format like that to 0001. So it will become like 4 digit. We put any amount of number, it will become 4 digit. When we put 10, it will become 0010. If we put 100, it will become 0100. So this stuff ID will become the format, the standard format as the 4 digit. It means we have 1,000 number of 1,000 of stuff. So how to do that? Let me show you. So we can select full column, or we select any like cell. We want to choose that format. For example, I select this cell. Is I right click on that and select cell format and select custom. You can see we select 0. So I will input more row, that 1, 2, 3, add 3 digit more. So like you can see, it is the example like that. You can see if I delete 1 as a 0, you can see it is 3 digit. So I input 4. So the 4 digit is the standard format of the 1,000 stuff number. If I click OK, you can see it will change like that. If you have input like 25, put a plan on that, it will become 0025. If I input by 110, it will become 0110. So when we input 1 digit, 2 digit, or 3 digit, or 4 digit like 1,000, it will become 4 digit. You can see I will input 2 digit, 3 digit, or 4 digit. It will become as a standard as 4 digit. So it is what I want to tell you, to auto input like a standard format as like 4 digit or 3 digit or more than that. So we can change the format in our cell like that. You just right click and format cell. I will click custom, so we can custom here. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.